It's quiz time! Today we are going to review about emotions and household chores in Bisaya. If you're ready, let's get started. Which picture shows someone na galuto? Galuto. Again, which picture shows someone galuto? Na galuto. Is it A or is it B? And the correct answer is B. It's a picture B that shows someone na galuto. Picture A shows someone na gahugas og plato. Is this family showing nalipay or nasubo? Again, is this family showing nalipay or nasubo? Hit the pause button before you answer. And the correct answer is A, nalipay or happy. So this family is displaying happiness. They are happy, they are nalipay. Nasubo means sad. So the answer is A. Which picture shows someone na nanilhig? Nanilhig. Is it picture A or picture B? Please hit the pause button before you answer. The correct answer is A. So picture A shows someone na nanilhig or sweeping the floor. Picture B shows someone na gahugas og plato. What is this person feeling? Gigutom ba siya or gikapoy? Don't forget to hit the pause button before you answer. And the correct answer is B, gikapoy or feeling tired. So this person is feeling gikapoy or tired. Letter A, gigutom means hungry. How about this video? Is a person showing A, na sorpresa or B, naguol? Don't forget to hit the pause button before you answer. And the correct answer is B, naguol or feeling worried or anxious. Letter A, na sorpresa means surprised. So it's not the answer. What is this person doing? Is it A, gainom or B, gakaon? Again, what is this person doing? Is it A, gainom or B, gakaon? And the correct answer is A, gainom. This person is gainom og tubig. And that's it for today. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!